Welcome back, everyone. I'm so happy you guys are here. If maybe it's your first time stopping by, I'm Katie. I love to share home and lifestyle content, and we've been doing a lot of home refreshes and decorating and gearing up for all the fun seasons to come. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much. It means so much to me. You don't even know. But as you can see, we are kicking off today's video by taking down just some of the last couple decorations that are kind of lingering from my son Ryland's 12th birthday. He turned 12 just over a week ago, and just this last weekend we did a fun little pizza party with family and did cake and ice cream, saying happy birthday, all the traditional things. And we decided to leave up a few of the decorations for the next few days. So now that all the birthday festivities have come and gone, we're back in school, it's time for them to come down and just have a clean slate. So today we're just going to be doing a simple home reset. So just doing the picking up around the house that needs to get done. I need to throw in some laundry, get caught up on some dishes. I need to make my bed and wipe down my bathroom. I also share my brand new haircut in this one. I love it so much. I can't wait for you guys to see it. That is towards the end of this video. And I also show you guys a little Ross shopping haul. So I posted a reel over on my Instagram, and you guys have absolutely been loving it, about some of the cute stuff that I saw was in Ross. So I did pick up a few items, not a lot, just really small. So if hauls aren't your thing, no worries. I seriously only have a few items to show. But here we are in the laundry room. I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm using currently for laundry. And then we need to move into the kitchen, do a few dishes. But first, I wanted to organize this quick little seasonal towel drawer, and then we will get down to business. You up when I'm wasted, when I know that you moved on. Is she in your arms right now? Tell me, is she gonna stay the night? Tell me, is she in your arms right now? Is she in your arms tonight? Like I used to be. Like I used to be. This video is most likely going up on a Friday, so I wanted to let you guys know that I think as long as the weather holds out and it doesn't get too crazy hot, I want to pull out all of my Halloween and fall bins and just get organized. And I just want to open everything up, sort through, purge the things or donate the things that I don't plan on using this year. Maybe somebody else can use it and love it. And honestly, I just have way too much stuff. So I really need to narrow it down, and it just makes the decorating process so much less stressful. And I have quite a few ideas in mind this year, and I'm going to be doing it so different than I have in previous years. So I need to get those bins pulled out and just refresh my memory on everything that I have, go through, sort everything, and just consolidate. And then obviously you guys have seen that I got a bunch of new stuff this year as well. So just want to start pulling stuff out, laying it out and making plans, and just gearing up for all that fall content. So my kids are back in school. Pumpkin Spice has launched at Starbucks. Disneyland is decorated officially tomorrow. So those are all my signs that I could be given the green light to decorate at any moment. So maybe by next week I'll have some fall decorating content. So make sure you guys stick around, hit the bell so you get notified anytime a new video comes up. And if you guys are new here, I would love if you would consider subscribing. I'm doing the dishes by hand, the ones that I don't like to run through the dishwasher, and I had to show you guys my cute pink electric mug. It's just rechargeable. I am notorious for microwaving my coffee over and over and over. #momlife. And my husband had gotten me that rechargeable mug that can keep your coffee super duper hot for my birthday. Now they are not cheap, they're an investment, but I'm telling you, if that thing's clean, I'm using it. So I got it all cleaned and charged up so I can enjoy it the next day, as we are back in school and mom needs her cup of coffee bright and early in the morning to tackle the new school year. Let this be a reminder to go in and do a good clean in your dryer vents. Now, I didn't do that this day, but it was definitely a great reminder maybe over this weekend to come in here and get out my shop vac, get out the nozzle, and just get all cleaned behind, underneath, in the ventilation areas, here in the lint trap. I do clean this before I run every dryer load, but it needs like more than a good wipe down. It needs a good shake, it needs a good vacuum, and just a good cleaning. So that is definitely overdue. I don't know if I'm going to film it and share it, but I definitely wanted to remind you guys, if your lint trap and your dryer was looking a little dusty like mine, maybe we can both get that done here in the near future, and it could just be one less thing on our list. I mean, I need to come in here and do a good clean in my laundry room anyways. I've actually been wanting to come in here and give it a good refresh. So maybe I'll hit Pinterest and start pinning new ideas to come in here, and we can make this space, even though it's small, maybe we can make it a little bit more enjoyable to do laundry by at least making it look nice. I am still loving my room since we came in here and just redecorated everything. It feels so nice, it's enjoyable. I'm actually in here doing the voiceover right now. Now, I still don't have pictures in those gold frames, and I'm still on the hunt for a new fan and a couple little decorative details. So again, all that will be coming in a video. It's just a matter of when I actually get those items. I'm really teaching myself to slow down and not rush the process and buy things that maybe I like, but not necessarily love, and items that I know that I'm going to really want to hang on to for years to come, and not just keep switching things out every year or so. So being patient is very new to me, but moving slow has really been good for me. So I'm sorry if I'm not just like coming in here and doing a full room makeover in one video, just start to finish, but I really think it's important to kind of slow down and wait for those pieces that speak to you. So all that is coming. I've been on the hunt for a few things over the last couple weeks since we came in here and did this bedroom, but so happy with it. If you guys missed that one, make sure you go back and watch it. It's just a couple videos ago, like literally brand new to my channel. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and hopped into my bathroom. We're not doing a deep clean. I cleaned my shower while I'm in it. So we're just hitting the mirror, the top of the vanity, and the sinks, and keeping it really, really simple in here. So where I have these two floating shelves, I used to keep all my skincare and perfumes on here, and it works and it's fine, but I just want to be able to close a cabinet door and not have the clutter hanging out. So I'm actually on the hunt for a small little wall cabinet for right here. Okay, it is the next day and I just got back from my hair appointment. You guys probably noticed my hair is a little different. We did chop quite a bit off. I feel like my ends were just so done. I needed something easier to maintain in this phase of life that I'm in. So Found a really cute picture on Pinterest. I'll actually flash it here on the screen for you guys. It did go really dark, at least for me, for probably like the last year. I did drop shadow route. It was like way down here, and I wanted to start to go blonde again. So obviously that's not done in just one appointment, but she got me pretty darn blonde even in just one appointment. And by the next appointment, I should be much closer to my inspiration picture. We should be able to reach that. Yeah, just needed a little bit of a change, and I think it was a really good choice for my hair too. But wanted to show you guys the new hair, and I do have a couple things that I picked up at Ross a couple days ago that I want to share. I actually made a reel on Instagram and you guys loved it. Really cute pieces that I saw while I was in Ross. I didn't necessarily take everything home with me as much as I wanted to. I'm really trying to be good, but there are some amazing pieces at some really great prices. But let's go ahead and just take a minute and show you guys just a few things that I grabbed. Wicker pieces are very trendy this year, and Ross had their version. I actually really liked this size, and they're really like thick. You can tell they're good quality, and I just paid $8.99 for this one. They did have two different sizes, so I got the bigger one and the smaller one. The smaller one was just $6.99. I want to say the witch hats that I've been seeing pop up at like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff, I think are around like $24.99. So I feel like these are a great deal to achieve that same look. And I know that I have a few different places that I can put them. I'll probably decorate with them together, maybe with a candle, something like that. But I thought for the price and how trendy they were this year that these were a really great find. I also grabbed this cute soap pump. I think I'm gonna put this by my kitchen sink when I run the garland up over the window and put a little jack-o'-lantern on that little stool. I shared in my haul video just a couple videos ago of that inspiration. I'll see if I still have the picture. I'll pop it here on the screen. If not, definitely go back and watch that one, you guys. That is like a 20-minute long video of all my plans for fall. I have a huge haul because today is just a couple pieces that I'm throwing in this video. But if you guys want inspiration and to get an idea of how I'm decorating this year, you want to go back and watch that. But this little guy was just $6.99, again from Ross. I think he's gonna look so cute by my sink, or if you have like a bathroom or somewhere you want to put him. I loved how they had the 3 stacked jack-o'-lanterns. I have a few different decor pieces that have the stacked pumpkins, so I thought that this would actually complement those pieces really nice. I grabbed my boys a couple shirts. I love going through the racks just really quickly while I'm there because sometimes I find some name brand really great things there for my kiddos. So I found these Halloween shirts and they're actually glow in the dark. I have something very similar that they wore last year, but these are just a little bit different. And it says "Creep It Real" with the little trick-or-treater with like his little shoes, the trendy checkered print. He has this little jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat bucket. And I love this glows in the dark. So we're camping actually the weekend before Halloween, and we're gonna be trick-or-treating there at the campground. Everyone goes all out on their campsites and all the kids go around and trick-or-treat, and it's just so much fun. It's like gets you pumped and excited for the real deal on Halloween. But they had 2 of these, so I grabbed one for my older son Rylan and then one for Colton. But that's all I got at Ross because again, I know I have so much decor already that I haven't even pulled out. Plus my mega haul was in that video I was just telling you guys about. So these were just kind of like odds and ends that I knew were very on trend and were such a great deal. I had to take them, and I needed a couple of things just to kind of fill in for some of the ideas that I have. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. But thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe before you go today. I think I'm gonna pull out my bins this weekend. I'm actually filming this on a Wednesday. And I'm gonna try and get this up in just a couple of days for you guys, and then over the weekend, maybe I'll pull out my bins. There's a lot of things that I wanna go through, get organized, and then if I need anything, I can go back out to the store and just kind of fill in those blanks. Because right now I feel like I've done a little bit of blind shopping, which can always be fun. But anyways, thank you again for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame.